Hello everyone, this is Sana and today I'm here to present the topic that is setting objectives from the course Software Engineering. Firstly, in the contents introduction, what are the objectives, importance of the setting objectives, characteristics and effective objectives, benefits of it, and also the practical examples at last is conclusion. In the introduction, let us know what is software engineering. It is a branch of computer science that deals with the design, development, testing, and maintenance of software applications. And also, the software engineering, the economies of all developed nations are dependent on this software. More and more systems or software controlled software engineering is concerned with theories, methods, and tools for the professional software development. Expenditure on software represents a significant fraction of GNP in all the developed countries. Let us know what are the objectives. Its definition. Objectives are specific measurable goals that an individual or organization aims to achieve within a defined time frame. Objectives are those ends which the organization seeks to achieve by its existence and also the operations. Objective is a specific commitment to achieve a measurable result within a specified time. Its types are short time, long time, strategic and also operational. In this slide, we can see what are the objectives that is required for the software engineering. Firstly, the quality, that is producing software that meets the user requirements, functionals reliably, is maintainable and also the scalable and has few defects. In the efficiency, that is developing the software within specified timeframes and also the budget constraints, optimizing resource utilization and also the minimizing the rework. In the maintainability, that is designing the software in a way that facilitates the future modifications, enhancement and also the bug fixes, ensuring its longevity and also the sustainability. In the scalability, that is building the software systems that can adapt to changing the demands, accommodate the growth and also handle the increased user loads without the significant performance of the degradation. Other objective of software engineering is reliability, that ensuring the software behaves as expected under different conditions such as minimizing the occurrence of errors and also the failures. And the security, it integrating the security measures into the software design and also development process to protect against vulnerabilities and also the unauthorized access. In the customer satisfaction, that meeting or exceeding the customer expectations by delivering software that addresses their needs also effectively and also provides a positive user experience. In the collaboration, its objective is to fostering the effective communication and collaboration among team members, stakeholders, and other relevant parties through the software development process. That we can see the criteria that require for the setting the objective, that it should be consistent with the values of management and it should pinpoint strength of an organization. It should satisfy external environment factor. In this slide, we can see how to set the objective. Firstly, identify the goals, that is start with a broad goal. Break down the goals that divide into the smaller manageable objectives. Nextly, apply SMART criteria that will refine each objective and document objectives, that is write them down. In the monitor and adjust, review the progress regularly and also adjust as needed. Here we can see what are the importance of this setting objectives, that is focus. It will provide the direction and also purpose. And in the motivation, encourages the effort and also persistence. In the measurement, allows for tracking progress. In the decision making, guides the resource allocation. Here we can see what are the objective setting guidelines, that is objectives should be clear and specific. They should be expressed in the measurable terms. Objectives should be attainable and also it should be realistic. Objectives should be time bound, should be wholeheartedly accepted by the employees and also it should be challenging and it should have sub goals and link it to the rewards. Objectives should be interconnected and also mutually supportive and also it should be flexible and adaptable. It should be set down in all the key, that is result area. Let us know the benefits of objectives, that is formulation. It sets the specific target, provides the direction for employee and also increases the staff motivation, helps to focus on specific tasks and also builds the relationship, helps to measure the performance of employee and also helps to prioritize. It enables the success to be measured. These are the benefits of the objective. In this slide, we can see what are the tools required for the setting objectives. Firstly, goal setting frameworks. OKRs is the objectives and key results and also consists of balanced scorecard. Nextly, in the project management tools, it consists of Trello, Asana, Microsoft Project. In the tracking tools, the spreadsheets, performance, dashboards. Here is the practical examples that required for the setting objective, that is in the business objective, increases the sales by 15% within the 6 months by launching a new marketing campaign. In the educational objective, it improves the exam scores by 10% over the next semester through additional tutoring sessions. In the personal objective, run a marathon within a year by following a weekly training schedule. These are the practical examples for setting any of the objectives based on the setting objective. In this slide, we can see some common pitfalls, that is some problems that occur in setting the objectives. Firstly, the vague objectives that consist of lack of clarity in the over ambitious goals, unrealistic expectations, in the lack of flexibility, inability to adapt to the changes, in the poor tracking, that is failure to monitor the progress. Some limitations that occur is immeasurability, inadequate resource allocation, and also it will stress on the employee, and neglecting the ground reality, avoiding the consultation, unclear and also the rigid objective, and also the time constraint. These are the limitations for the setting of any of the objectives. What are the best practices? That is, firstly, regular review. Schedule the periodic check-ins for any of the review to the setting the objective and also adjust the goals, that is be flexible and also willing to modify it. Celebrate the milestones, acknowledge achievements along the way and also seek feedback. Get the inputs from the stakeholders or the peers. At last is conclusion, that is the primary objectives of software engineering are to deliver the high quality, cost effective and also timely software solutions that are scalable, maintainable, secure and also satisfying to the users. And collaboration, compliance and also innovations are also essential aspects of achieving these setting objectives. Thank you everyone.